Hello, welcome to Saf's Glam Beauty. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to make your own infused turmeric oil right from the comfort of your kitchen. Now, in this video, we need 6 ingredients. Our first ingredient will be turmeric powder. And our second ingredient will be some sunflower oil. Our next ingredient is some jojoba oil, some vitamin E oil, some apricot oil, and last but not least, some Meadow oil. Okay? So these are our ingredients that we'll be using in this project. Okay? So now I'm measuring out all of my oils. I'm not going to be giving measurement out now. I'm just going to show you how I measure them. So you guys, this video is self-explanatory. I'm not going to be saying much in this video. Just trust the process. You definitely will learn something from this video. I'm going to be playing some music in the background. Let's enjoy the process.
To your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want.
So, ladies and gentlemen, can we have a moment of silence for this screener? And don't make fun of my screener because you guys have no idea what I went through today to get a screener. I was all over the place. I was confused. Didn't know what to do. When I came across my stocking cap, I thought I found gold, you guys. I was so happy that I found it and it was brand new too. So don't make fun of my screener because it got the job done. Okay? Okay? Let's move on.
Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my hair down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wild.
This is our final product, our golden product. Like, I really, really do love this oil. It is A1 plus. So, I'm going to be demonstrating how this beautiful golden oil applies. Okay? I'm going to put 2 drops on the back of my hand and massage it in really, really nice, distributed nicely, and just show you how beautiful the oil looks. Like, I love the tint that it gives, like that golden yellow tint. It is so lovely to look at. Like, it is beautiful. A lot of people have problem with the staining of turmeric. It depends on how you apply. If you apply a lot of it, it's gonna stain really bad. But if you apply a generous amount, it's gonna be okay for you. So this is my before and my after. Okay, so I'm gonna be adding additional 2 drops on the back of my other hand, just to distribute it nicely so I can have an even tune and not be going around with one yellow hand and another color. Like, I just want to do a beautiful color blend. Okay, that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. We are on our way to 450 subscribers. You guys are the truth. I appreciate each and every one of you. God bless. Bye-bye.
If I want, let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.